Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a very simple Chinese stir-fry dish, the white button mushroom stir-fry snow peas. I'm also gonna introduce you a Western ingredients that you're more than familiar with to add in today's recipe. With these simple ingredients that will make any stir-fry dishes rise to another level. Check it out. Hi new friends, it's Erica right here. I'm a Chinese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling is my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. On top of that, I also make videos talking about food knowledge and a history background of the dish on this channel. So if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. On our last video, we talked about a difference, or can you say the same, between the white button mushroom, baby bella mushroom, as well as the portobello mushrooms. And around a year ago, I also shared with you the difference between snow peas, sugar snap peas, as well as English peas. Today we're gonna combine the ingredients between these two videos and make a very simple Chinese stir-fry dish. You can pick any of the mushroom in our previous video, as well as either snow pea or sugar snap pea for this recipe. The reason why I don't recommend the English pea for this recipe is just because English pea is relatively softer and smaller in size. So for the texture of the recipe, I would recommend you to choose the peas with pods still on. And today I'm picking the white button mushroom as well as the snow pea to make today's recipe just because I have these ingredients in hand. So now choose your ingredients real quick and we'll take a look at the rest of the ingredients together. Here's our ingredients that we'll need for today's white mushroom stir-fry snow pea. Here we'll need some snow peas, and you can also use sugar snap peas. And here we'll need our white button mushroom. You can replace it with other type of mushrooms as well. Besides that, we'll need some ginger, some garlic, also scallion. And our magic ingredient to make this dish to another level is to add in bacon. You can either use the normal bacon to make from pork, or you can use the turkey bacon, or you can also use the plant-based bacon like me. And besides these, the rest of the ingredients and the exact amount will be listed in the description box down below. The first thing we want to do is prep our ingredient as usual. Peel off the fibery part of the snow peas with its pointy tips like this. I've shared this in slower speed on the same but different video before, so you can check it out if you want. I'll leave a link up here. And also, to make the snow pea matches the size of the mushroom to look better, we'll angle cut it into half like this. Now, slice your mushroom into slices and slice the vegan bacon into 1/4 of an inch slices as well. If you're not vegan, you can obviously use the normal bacon or even the turkey bacon for less fat. But either way, we only need 1 slice of bacon in this recipe to give this dish a different type of savory flavor that the salt can't provide. I know everybody likes bacon, but if you add too much bacon into this recipe, it might get too greasy and lose its balanced flavor. Last but not least, chop the scallion and mince your ginger, as well as garlic. And now all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. Heat up a wok or a pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Wait till the oil is hot, add in your snow peas and stir fry in medium heat for 90 seconds. This step is to briefly cook through the snow peas real quick with hot oil so we can shorten the stir frying time later. Most of the restaurants like to use the deep fry technique, but I'd rather not because I don't like to deal with the leftover oil. But if you would like to do that, you only need to fry it for around 20 to 30 seconds. When that's done, scoop it out and leave the oil in the wok. Now in medium-low heat, add in your vegan bacon. In this step, we want to fry out the umami in our bacon until it gets a little charred, so all the flavor are in our oil and can be combined well with our veggie later. If you're using a normal bacon, you probably don't need as much oil as we're using today. But plant-based bacon are not as oily as a normal bacon, so we'll need some oil in our pot to protect the coating of the wok and also absorb the umami flavor of the bacon. Now we can see that the bacon has turned its color and got a little charred. Add in your minced garlic. Stir fry till fragrant, which takes around 10 seconds, then add in your mushroom slices right away with some salt. Adding salt into the mushroom can not only season it, but also force out the water content in the mushroom faster. We'll stir fry the mushroom for a little bit until the color turns a bit darker and soften up a little like this, then add in some water and turn the heat up to medium. Raw mushrooms are like a sponge. As soon as you put it into your wok, it will absorb all the oil and water content in the wok and get really dry. Either you're using a porcelain coating or a Teflon non-stick pan, you really shouldn't dry fry it. So add in a little bit of water or heat up the wok with your oil is to protecting your wok or pan. And besides that, adding water into your mushroom can also release its sweetness into the broth, so later when we add in the rest of the ingredient, it can combine the flavor better together. When you see the mushroom is cooked through and the broth is thickening up a little, we'll add in our minced ginger as well as the pre-fried snow pea. You can either flip the pan or stir fry with your spatula for around 20 to 30 seconds. When you see the broth is thickening up a little more, you can add in your scallion and stir fry real quick. Turn up the heat. Last step, add in your pepper powder as well as a little bit of sesame oil for the aroma. Mix, 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 and done! The mushroom stir-fry snow pea is ready. Wow, the bacon and sesame oil smells so good. The green snow pea paired with the red bacon and white mushroom, the color matches is so appetizing. The mushroom soup that is covering all the ingredients is sweet and savory. The mushrooms are juicy and packed with flavor. The snow pea are totally cooked through but still super crunchy. Every single bite you put in your mouth, you can taste the umami of the vegan bacon. Now, while we're enjoying this mushroom stir-fry snow pea, let's learn some Chinese. The word of the day today is 白蘑菇炒血豆. The white mushroom stir-fry snow peas. The first three characters 白蘑菇 means white button mushrooms. Last week we learned that the white button mushroom as well as a baby bella mushroom, we can call them 洋菇, the western mushroom. The 白蘑菇 today is specifically for the white button mushrooms. And the fourth character today is 炒, means stir fry. We learned it so many times already, I bet you already know. The last two characters, 血豆, we learned it before as well, is the snow pea. So 白蘑菇炒血豆 is white button mushroom stir-fry snow peas. Thank you for cooking with me to the end. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make video on YouTube every Monday and Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!